Hello, my name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax, Stuart, Florida. Today we're taking you through a new listing. We have a 2023 Chaparral 280 OSX. Beautiful boat here, as you can see. Only 90 hours on the Yamaha 200s. Extended warranty, just detailed, and engines were just serviced. Beautiful boat, really cosmetically. There's nothing to criticize. Truly in great condition. We'll hop on board here and go through a few of the features. So starting up here in the bow of this 2023 280 Chaparral, you have real comfortable bow seating all the way around. You can see here in the video all the upholstery is in great shape. So this entire area has covers to protect when not in use. Up here in the front, we have a windlass anchor with controls just off to the right. The boat is also configured with a filler cushion, so this seat here lifts up and your cushion simply folds out. Super cool design instead of having to store a cushion elsewhere. Just creates a nice lounger with armrests that fold down. One item that makes this boat unique, we have a fiberglass hardtop, something that's rare to find in a boat of this size and style. Big windshield simply folds over to give you protection when you're running the boat. Walking through to the helm, two big helm seats with armrests, really comfortable to sit in. Great layout electronic wise here at the helm. Two Simrad screens for chart plotting, sonar. We have a Yamaha digital display in the middle. We have 90 hours on the twin Yamaha 200s. Inductive charging ports. Stereo system, trim tabs. You have your electronic throttle and shift. So very well laid out. And then check this out here inside the console. The way this boat's designed, being a side console, we have a large spacious area down below with a sink, a nice seating area, changing room, and then we have the toilet that would pull out as well. When you're at the sandbar or just hanging out, this helm seat swivels around to face the other seating in this area. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Swivels just like that to expand the social zone. We have wraparound seating here on the port side, storage underneath the back, dive door on the starboard side with a ladder, and then a nice seating area back here. This lays flat to create a sun pad. Sea deck along the swim platform, providing nice traction, and then again powered with the reliable Yamaha 200s in great condition. This boat was just fully serviced. Did a full Yamaha service and a detail from the bottom up. Again, this is a 2023 Chaparral 280. My name is Bryan McGlynn with MarineMax. We'd love to show you the boat in person. Easy to see here in Stuart, Florida. You can reach me directly on my cell, 561-635-6811.